Hello guys, welcome back to BST Party YouTube channel. BST Party YouTube channel in Ren Kalom Lut Seng Chewa. Tuda tom he video kong sim no ka. Ngai ban Klang Presbytery High School kang visit via he program an nia. Chu program ju ke man mung feel via. Student lui high kom man feel a chu chun lung oi no chak lo ding nan jan feel bong ka kan he program he farewell program ania. Ngai ban Klang Presbytery headmaster farewell program hi abul men pe kasi top channel wen senga video ayom kha thei ram chan lo like lo share ve ting in chunga kong yen tak mewa ole tu in suklang pe ke u ting ko harang ga jaw bazar an tokin ei hunga e ting NPHS Ngai Ban Klang Presbytery High School na lai student hai mi no welcome singa khi ting e hon veng ting pan na lampui hon veng su ni lai jing hon veng ting pan na lampui bi kana he ni chun ho ting khon mi pui ye mai tok an lom ta program he dar som le ti del dar som so baka sum trending ne a to hen ting student hai lo zinga min lo welcome zinga nang pen dai so tiam sana lo lu nung pe min lo welcome na ni vai building thar na mo asum ting la walu de tingin pui nôn chung mẹ cả liên khबर Ngai Ban Klang Presbytery High School Harmadal program so basa tool sugna kana ei vai building thar na mo building thar suklang iti ei ting student ai lo excuse me ei ting ho men lam pu ma kuting ko an bol thar an sim thar ha ting ko me room tharante kan lai kan chu lai kam be room alom no na lai kam bo program kan tan wa da minum pai ni tere sai ho minum pai program tan vang anta
There might be some adjustment in the program schedule, so you can inform me beforehand if there is any individual or any group wants to have an item or wants to deliver a speech. You can inform here beforehand. Happy to see you all. Please come and have your seat. Our program will begin shortly. Let me highlight our program first. Farewell program for outgoing headmaster Mr. Lalensim 3, 2007 to 2025. Date 1st July Tuesday, time 10:30 a.m. onwards. Opening prayer, Elder Zolmoidum Fahim, MC member. Welcome speech by Reverend Lawrence S. Hozol, Headmaster and PHS. Dance by Nazari student. Speech on behalf of teacher Sar Manoj Ghosh. Dance by KZ student. Here after KZ student, speech by MC members. Then which will be followed by speech by former teachers. We will open time for former teachers if anyone have to take their time. Then skit by ME students, speech by former students 2014-15 batch, which will be followed by speech by Miss Sonali Day. Dance by LP student group 1, speech by outgoing headmaster Mr. Lalam Simtri. Speech on behalf of student Miss Anjali Day. She will say a speech on behalf of the student body. Then which will be followed by class 9 student. Dance by LP student group 2. Then we will give time to the former students, like I will call them batch wise. Special farewell, then which will be followed by farewell song by high school students. Special prayer for outgoing headmaster by Elder Larokui, chairman of Harangazal Pastorate. Then closing song, which will be followed by closing prayer by Elder Thamremlin Gamte, our MC member, which will be followed by photo session. Humble heart, we welcome you all to this special farewell program, which is, yes, we bid adieu to our headmaster Sir Ladan Simtri, who served this institution with unwavering dedication since 2007. After 18 years of tireless service and dedication, we are here to celebrate his legacy, his leadership, and the impact he has on the students and on this school and each one of us. So let us begin this journey of gratitude and farewell. Before that, to say God's prayer, as we begin this program, I would like to request Elder Zolmoidum Fahim to please come and lead us in prayer.
Good morning and welcome to you all. Especially we warmly welcome our special guests, our MC members, our church leaders, former teachers, our ex-students, parents and well-wishers. Chibai, Chubai, Juthai, Kruble and Namaskar to you all. Today, we are coming here to celebrate the tremendous work done by our outgoing headmaster, Mr. Lalam Simtri, who was born on 5th June 1962 at Redzol village from his parents, Darhaulin Chik and Multoitil Chik. He is married to Mistress Lalchan Kim Chik in the year 1989 and have 6 children, one of whom, Mr. Musanghaw Haubem, is also working here in the school as office assistant. Our outgoing headmaster started his schooling at Redzol LP School and completed till MA English. He had an experience of working as a clerk at Sinot High School, Haflong, Redzol High School, and Kunlung High School as headmaster. While he was serving as an evangelist at Joynagar in Hailakandi district, the presbytery called him to run the new established Ngai Pantlang Presbytery High School at Harangazao here in the year 2007. Therefore, he started serving as a headmaster from 1st November 2007 till 30th April 2025 for 18 years. We are greatly indebted to our outgoing headmaster, Sir, for his tireless work and dedication in building the school from scratch to head. As he retired from his work here and embarked on his new journey, we pray that God will be with him and continue to serve Him for His glory. 2 Timothy 4:7 says, I have fought the good fight, I have finished the race, I have kept the faith. Today, as we are gathering here to celebrate the life and work of our outgoing headmaster and bid farewell, I request each and every one of you all to enjoy the program and be seated till the end. And as for the students, listen, for the current students, today is the last day of the school and you will be having summer holiday from tomorrow. And you will be coming back to school only on 1st August 2025, that is Friday. Therefore, please keep on checking your class WhatsApp group. There will be some holiday homeworks to be given there by your teachers and other important information. That is why even we request the parents to keep on updated with those informations given in the WhatsApp group. Sorry, during this holiday, stay safe during this holiday and do your holiday homework, keep on studying, and we will meet once again in the month of August. Thank you all. God bless. Ngay Bantang Presbytery High School.
Former headmaster and present headmaster and outgoing teaching staff और हमारा पिता माता लोग पहला आप लोग को सबको हम नमस्कार देता। आज हमारा हेडमास्टर लॉरेंस से रिटायरमेंट होके आज हम लोग के साथ से सोन आने वाला है बोलकर फेयरवेल प्रोग्राम बनाया। तो हम आज में हेडमास्टर को तो हम क्या समझाएगा, वही तो जानने वाला आदमी है। लेकिन हमारा सबसे मैंने टॉपिक हमारा हम सोच के आया, आज जितना माई बाप लोग भी है सब अभी प्रेजेंट हो सका, जो नहीं हुआ उसको तो कोई प्रॉब्लम की वजह से आने नहीं सका, ऐसे भी हो सकता है। जितना भी प्रेजेंट हुआ सबको हम आज लोग को देख के अच्छा लगा। ऐसा बात है आप लोग सब समय ngay Bantang हाई स्कूल टीचर लोग का हेडमास्टर बोलो जितना भी स्टाफ है उन लोग का सपोर्ट में लोग सब टाइम रहने के लिए अभी हम रिक्वेस्ट किया है। तो आज ऐसा हम लोग कदम लिया, ऐसा आगे भविष्य में भी हम लोग सब मिल के अपना समान कदम लेके हम लोग सब चलने के लिए हम लोग को हम अनुरोध करता। और एक तो बात है, अभी हम लोग का नया हेडमास्टर आया रेवरेंड लॉरेंस एस फजल। हमारा पास्टर है, बहुत मैंने देखने में तो कैसा लगता, लेकिन उसका अंतर का जो बात है स्ट्रिक्टली काम करने लगी है। बहुत लोग इतना अच्छा हेडमास्टर मिला तो बहुत खुशी लगा। साथ साथ जितना टीचिंग स्टाफ लोग भी होने दे, जैसा हम लोग का आउटगोइंग जो हेडमास्टर है वही जैसा काम कर रहा, हम लोग भी ऐसा काम करने के लिए कोशिश करेगा। और तकलीफ हो आराम हो उसी समय में भी अपना ड्यूटी निभाने के लिए हम लोग सब कोशिश करेगा। और सब समय भगवान का नाम लेके जो भी काम करना है। और यदि नहीं होगा तो हम लोग का मिशन जो है सक्सेस होने का बहुत मुश्किल है। इसलिए अभी क्या पोजीशन में हम लोग खड़ा है ये तो बोल नहीं सकता, फिर भी हम लोग कोशिश करेगा। माई बाप लोग भी हम लोग कोशिश करो और हम लोग का स्कूल को दिन का दिन बढ़ाने के लिए हम लोग कोशिश किया, सब टाइम रहने से अच्छा होगा।
First of all, I'd like to introduce our Sir Lalropui Lungtao, Chairman of Harangazao Pastorate. Thank you, sir. And here, Sir Elder Zolmoithang Fairit, our MC member. Next, Elder Lalremdin Gangte, Thangremdin Gangte, our MC member. And here we have our former teachers. First, please start. Can you stand? Yes, we all know Sir Alfred. Next is Miss Junina. And next, Miss Deborah. Miss Madam Mohi, please stand. Thank you, Madam. And here, Madam Vari. Please stand up, Madam. Thank you, ma'am. And here, Sir Bimol. So we are also privileged to welcome back all of them. And we request them to sit comfortably and enjoy this program. Next up is our KZ students, dance by KZ students. After this, we will give time to our former teachers if they would like to deliver a speech or like any item if they want to do. So now let us welcome Sir Manoj Ghosh on behalf of the teaching fraternity.
First of all, I would like to thank Almighty God because it's thy blessing and kind mercy we assemble here. Secondly, I would like to thank to all the MC member, my ex-friends, those who got job. We invite them, their sponsors. Thirdly, I would like to say thanks to my new headmaster, Reverend Lawrence S. Fajol, for giving us permission for arranging this program. Fourthly, I would like to say thanks to my co-friend, my headmaster, my once teacher, Mr. Lalrim Simchik. Today, we are going to give him bid farewell. And mostly, I would like to thank to all of my ex-students, those who are studying in colleges, those who already passed college and they are studying in further PG or might be any other sector. And the parents, those who left their activities at home and reach here with their kids and their son, their daughter to attend this state program and make this program grand successful. I would like to show my privilege and gratitude to them. So, last at least, I would like to say thanks to my present students, those who helped me, those who help us for arranging this program. So this is my first point. I may say a little bit more because I start my journey in this institution 8 April 2008 Tuesday, and today is Tuesday and date 1st July. So here also I am, if you calculate properly, then you may find that I am just 4 months junior to our outgoing headmaster, Mr. Lalaram Singh Sheikh. Lots of stories are there in this journey. If I mention, then I may take this evening also. But don't worry, I will not spoil your time. Let me say shortly. So we start our journey from Banmul ME School, now it is, and tribal hostel. So we have no enough space and room. In the beginning we start class 8. After that I give idea to start nursery classes. So sometimes I am little bit idiot. When it's rainy, I could not able to bring umbrella. We walk together in a single umbrella. Sometimes you may know that when your child was studying in lower classes, you may come to know that our district comes under disturbance. Sometimes it was happened like firing, bombing and all. So we never stop to go to school, whether the students comes or not. Sometimes we surrender our hand. Sir, in that moment he don't know Hindi well. So I need to convert to the Sipahi about the circumstances. So by the grace of God, we get permission, we establish here new building and we set up our new school building. Here slowly and gradually we go forward by the blessing of Almighty and the sponsor of Presbytery High School, Church of India. So today we are going to give a big farewell to our sir. So some things, some lesson he taught me, which I could not able to forget. How to write good handwritings, how to spell, how to behave, how to deal with the student. So when I joined, I was fully young. My blood was hot. I fall in crush with the student. Sometimes he sent me to Haflong for spending time because they challenged me. I don't know what was the meaning. Later on I come to know. Okay, so when I come to contact with the Mar people, then I start learning of Mar language. In the beginning, I learned slang word. After that, I asked my headmaster if he tried to explain in English. Sometimes he wrote in a paper. So now I can able to understand 99.9%. I am like Dettol hand wash. I can understand Mar language, but sometimes I feel little bit hesitation. I can't able to speak properly. This is my problem, linguistic problem. It is not also going long too much. I am here surrounding with the Mar people. They may taught me well, and I wish that one day when you will give me farewell, my speech will be in Mar language. This is my motto. And second motto is I want to mix here mixed culture, not only for Mar. This institution is not for Mar. Here, Bengali, Dimasa, Khasi, Tado, Kuki, Mar, Garo, Lusai, every tribe will be available. So this is my second motto, and one day I will fill up. So many things are said, I need to say, but time is enough. Other people are also waiting to say something. They also present the feelings of their heart. I hope you can understand my conversation. Okay, so here on behalf of my teachers, whatever I feel, I express to you. If I express more, then it will be goes in the wrong direction because my family member is also available here. They may see they might be see that I start falling cry. But once I watch any picture, the name of the picture was Boys Never Cry. So I want to maintain the same sentence. That is why I would like to say here my words. And if you like, then you just put your claps. Thank you.
Okay, let me read out. Our beloved headmaster, Mr. Lalrim Simchik, founding headmaster 2007 to 2025, Ngai Ban Tlang Presbyterian High School, Harang Gazao. From staff of Ngai Ban Tlang Presbyterian High School, Harang Gazao. 1st July 2025, Harang Gazao. It's Protestant.
Tome.
Okay, thank you all for your patience. Now I would like to give a small time to our Sir Arinda. Sir, please take your time.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to all my respectable teachers and other important dignitaries present here today. Even good afternoon to all the students. First of all, I am very much thankful to our Miss Madam that she gave me chance to speak something on regarding my headmaster. So I am very much grateful. First of all, I would like to say that what I would like to say. You know what? When I came in, I am involved in this institution from the year 2016, and now it is 2025. Almost 8 years. 8 years has gone. The thing is that, you know what to say. हाँ, चट्टी सूरज के बारे में जितना बताओ उतना ही कम है. Okay, similarly our headmaster. You know, in my childhood days, I have in our grammar we have learned that he is a main dash principle. He is a main dash principle. Use the proper preposition. So, if I am not wrong, we have written that he is a man of principle. Our headmaster is still then I have not found a person like him. So, he is yes, our headmaster is himself, he is a man of principle. I have never found in my entire life such a great personalities. You know what, when I came for the first time in Haringajao, I was almost 23, 24 years, and now almost I have passed 30. I passed my 30 years of age. But when I came for the first time, I was so much reluctant. I don't like to come to school, but my headmaster used to scold me. Let me take some time, sir. I want to express my feelings. One day, one thing happened. At that time, I used to stay near Haringajao Bazaar, near the fish market. I don't like to come, so that's why I just make one excuse, and then I said, sir, my health is not fine. I don't like to come. So the thing is that okay, if you are okay, then you come tomorrow. Okay, sir, thank you so much. So I have cut the call. But the thing is that, you know, some of the people are playing carom. Some of the people were playing carom near the marketplace, and I went there and I started to play. Instead of coming in school, I started playing their carom. But I was so much unlucky that day. One of the person has seen me, I don't know who, till today I don't know, and he complained about me to the headmaster. And after then, sir called me, Pal, where are you? Pal, where are you? Then I told him, sir, actually my health is not fine. Okay, then see you tomorrow. You will be fine. Okay. Then next day when I came to school back, then sir said me, are you okay? Yes, sir, I am okay. But the thing is that then he started scolding me, you know, how can you miss your school? क्या बात से आप उधर में बैठ के बाजार में गोटी मारता और कैरम बोर्ड खेलता और आप स्कूल में नहीं आता. At that point of time only, I have thought that yes, I will be terminated. At that point of time only, I thought that yes, I will be terminated by him. Then he said, no, I am not here to terminate. I am not here to terminate. I am here to take out the best from you actually. And that is why this is the thing only. Some of you know me, just like AP sir, or you say ON sir, or you say Pal sir, because that time he gave me chance to continue with this institution, and that's why only I am here, and all of you so means you know me. That's why. And again, another one incident happened. Actually, at that time I was very much ill, and then sir sent to Sir Thanga. If I am not wrong, yes, Sir Thanga, where he is, I don't know. So Sir Thanga, he gave 100 rupees note to him, and he told him, provide some medicine to him. So such a careful person. He takes care of us so much. I would really miss you, sir. Whatever I am, just because of you. Even my parents, when they know about that you are going to be farewell, and they said they cannot be present here. If they say, sir, they are so much grateful to you. And I have one thing I have learned from him. You know, if you do any work now, you love your work. You should love your work. At that time, he said me, sir, Pal, you should love your work. You should love your student. You should love this institution. It doesn't mean that I have not got job. It doesn't mean that I have not got opportunities. In Silchar also, I taught so many schools, Don Bosco, then Kendriya Vidyalaya. Okay, but in my inner call is that I cannot never find such a person like him. You know, in my entire life, I don't think so. In my coming future also, I will not get such a person like him. I have learned so many things. He taught me how to become punctual. He taught me how to become disciplined. He taught me how to love your work. Even all the students are also there sitting. Even this is the message also I want to say. If you love your work, you will be surely one day you will be successful one day. You know, even yesterday also he went to Aflong to finish his official work. So it means that he is so much involved in his work. And what to say, I really feel very much emotional actually. So sir, thank you so much for giving me chance. Yes, I have done so much stupidity. I have done so much mischievous thing, but you have controlled me all those throughout the years, and because of you only, whatever I have done in my Shilchar, whatever I have done, whatever I have done, it's just because of you, since you have given me the institution, since you have given me the opportunity, sir. So thank you so much, sir. Just only I want to say, please have a visit in this vacation with you and with your family in my home, sir. This in my Shilchar at my home, sir. Thank you so much. So thank you, students, for giving me chance. For my headmaster, I would like to present him something. It is actually, let me tell you, one pen stand, because I thought that because if I give a pen stand, he will forget me. After the pen it will finish, then he will forget about me, right? So I have bought one kettle also for him. Whenever he will drink water, he will remind about me. Sir, I will miss you so much. Miss you a lot, sir. Miss you a lot, sir. You have done so much for me, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, still good morning. Good morning, respected headmaster, teachers, parents, and dear children, and all the member, MC member, and well-wiser, and all the members who are present today. Firstly, I would like to thanks to the headmaster, Sir Reverend Lawrence S. Kozol, who invite me on this special occasion, that is farewell program of our dear, beloved, respected our headmaster, that means outgoing Mr. Lawrence Sim Tree. So as I stand before you all here, my heart, my mind is filled with a mix of emotions. Emotion of joy and sadness. I decided not to cry today because I already shed my tears last night. I am confident that I am standing here without handkerchief, but my heart is full of mixed emotion, happiness, joyful, and sadness. Recalling those memories, the joy and the sadness that we share together here in this institution, all those memories stuck in my heart. I have so many words to share today here, but don't worry, I will not take long. Let me come to my point. Recalling all the memories from this institution make my heart very heavy today, and my heart is crying. But I will not show from my face, as I promise you. All these challenges, I serve here. I served as a teacher for 9 years. Within those periods, I learned and experienced many things in my life, especially from our outgoing headmaster, Sir Lawrence Sim Tree. I want to express my emotions and feelings and many words to our headmaster, outgoing headmaster Lawrence Sim Tree. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude and support through throughout my tenure as a teacher and at this institution. Sir, you are always my inspiration. Your vision for the school, your passion for nurturing young mind have been truly inspiring. Your leadership was he had already completed his mission today. I would like to give a big thing, but he deserved this so. That is why, for the tokens of my appreciation, I will give this. But I'm not ending my word. I'll come back again here. Very hot. Thank you so much, sir. And lastly, I would like to conclude my word for to our new headmaster, Sir Reverend Lawrence S. Khazol. We work together as assistant teacher in this school. I already have a farewell speech upon him when he'll have the school that time. And I thank God that today he is with us again. I believe that your leadership and vision will undoubtedly shape the future of this institution. May God bless you. We hope that working together to create a nurturing environment that foster growth, creativity, and academic excellence. I believe that God will guide you throughout your period as you're working here as headmaster. And also I would like to say to the teacher too, we are so delighted to have you all here, to have you on a board. Your passion, your dedication, your expertise will inspire and motivate our students. We are confident that your teaching will make a lasting impact on student life. Always remember that God is the wisdom. If you always stick with God, God will shower you a wisdom that you could able to express, you could able to explore to the student. And lastly, dear student, the existing student, the current student, let's say, and even the ex-student are also they came here together. You make the day very special. After seeing all, I thought that I'm still teaching here. I'm still teacher here. And those who are still learning in this institution, believe in yourself. Believe in your ability. You are capable of achieving great things, don't forget that. And do not be afraid to make mistakes. They are opportunity to learn and grow. From the mistake you make, they are the opportunity to learn and grow. Always remember that your hard work and dedication will surely pay off. So keep pushing forward. I wish you all the best. God bless you all. Now I will conclude my word. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, respected headmaster sir, our elders, and all the MC members, and even our former headmaster and madam. I'm very happy, excited, at the same time emotional this noon that I could come here and advocate this program held in the school. I don't know where to begin, but then I would like to begin from the day I came to this school. Sir, I remember when I came to this, firstly when I came to this school, I made a request to take tuitions in the school, and then you have allowed me requesting MC. And in that meeting, they decided the requirement, the amount to be taken. At first I thought, sir is so heartless that he insists on giving me few amount. But later on I understood that he cares for parents, he cares for students also. That's why he allowed me with a few amount, and then he granted me with chalks, dusters, and so many more. Thank you, sir, for those moments that enlightened me, that paved my way, that molded me to stand before you today. And thank you once again, sir, that this opportunity is for me, especially to express myself. And I hope you, some of you might know my name, but few may not know. I am your Miss Deborah Nampui. I came all the way from Haflong to attend this moment and receive a blessing from our dear headmaster, sir. Sir, I remember that how you have molded us, how we have tackled challenges, and you also created opportunities. You have made a place to work, a place to live in, like a family. And sir, I will not take much time. And sir, I remember that how you have looked after me, staying by your side as a father. And do sir remember me in near future too, that your daughter is available. She's already nearby you and will always be nearby you in the days to come. Sir, as Arindampur sir mentioned that he brought a gift for you to drink tea, but without mug, without glass, you won't be able to drink. So I bought the same set of glass for you. Please accept my gratitude. Please, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. With this, I end my short speech. Thank you.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, headmaster. Good morning, MC, and teachers, parents, and the ex-student, the former student who are attending this program. It is very hard, so I would not like to take so much time. I'm deeply honored to be here on this special occasion to bid farewell to our outgoing headmaster. So first and foremost, I'd like to express my gratitude to God for bringing us together today to bid him farewell. Actually today, frankly, let me say, I'm not eager to come and attend this program. One of the reasons is that in my last day, I lost my many tears. I thought that I could control myself, be like a man who are very bold, who could control his emotional. Thing that we have seen in many movies, but I'm not like that person. So today I still remember how I lost my tears, how I lost, and I could not able to control my emotion. Same as that day today, I'll continue and I will lose a lot of my tears because here I am back where my heart lives. So again, I would like to thank to the organizer, the headmaster, the teachers, students, and whoever participated. Sometimes I'm thinking like this. If someone asks me, behind my success, who is one of the most important things, I will undoubtedly I will point to headmaster, because in my life he stands like an advisor, a director, like a father. He never leaves us in our need. So today I'm very upset to bid him farewell. I know that even the school may lose a great person. I think I'm emotional now. Pantruin Malson 9 Ikumsasi natin cukatit sakna ane.
Most of you may not know me, but some of you may. I could see my old students here. Very thank you to the school for inviting me here. I'm from Ditokchara and I came by foot today this morning, halfway, because I don't want to miss this chance for our headmaster's farewell. I worked with him for 4 years, and he has been a very good person to me. He has taught me many things, and one thing he did so many good things for me, but one thing which I will never forget is that yes, I am a patient of rheumatoid arthritis in 2016-17. That time I was very sick. On those days, I was on my bed. I could not join the school for 2 months. But still then, sir gave me a leave with pay, which I will never forget in my life. For after that, again I will join the school, and it has been a pleasure working with him. And you have been an inspiration for me, sir. And I wish you a happiness in life. And I would like to give a small token of love from my side. Thank you so much.
Ages of Men, written by William Shakespeare. So it was a very emotional poem. So thank you, student, once again. Now I'd like to call former students of 2024-25 batch.
Good morning, everyone. My friends, teachers, respected headmasters, and all my current students. First of all, very thank you to request us, our batch, still remembering us in the absence of us. But unfortunately last night we heard that our headmaster was going to retire. We were so suddenly we could not arrange our students, our friends, and then we simply created a simple group. But then we decided we cannot just end this way, because we started our career, our journey from this school. Our matriculation was good and as we expected. And today, though not all of us came here, but a few of us came just to represent those who can. I represent on behalf of our 2016 batch. I feel deeply honored standing here today as well. Today is a special day for all of us, and a sad day too at this moment. It is indeed my privilege to deliver a speech on this farewell day. It's been so many years. I still remember our first batch in 2015. This day is filled with a lot of emotions, sentiments, and memories. And once again, thank you, sir. Your legacy will remain in our hearts, and wherever our memories and achievements will. We are grateful for your mentorship and hope your retirement is filled with joy, relaxation, blessed, and hope your good health. Best wishes on your well-deserved retire. Now, I am not concluding my topic, but I would like to request my friends to come all the 2016 batch and give a small token to our sir. Sir, may you please come over here, and ma'am too. All of us are going to give him a so-called Chansopun, which is the highest one among our cultural dresses. बहुत लोग को नहीं जानता होगा, जितने भी पेरेंट्स आए हुए हैं। हम उस 2016 बैच से है जो मैट्रिक हमारा 9 और 10 यहाँ से पास आउट हुआ था, और शायद हरंगजो या फिर पूरा दिमाग में शायद यही एक स्कूल है और यही एक हेडमास्टर है जिसने रिकॉर्ड बनाया है कि हर साल 100% पास परसेंटेज में आगे है। तो हम आज उसको छोड़ना तो नहीं चाहते हैं, पर मजबूरन छोड़ना पड़ा। उम्र भी हो गया है, शायद दिखने में भी थोड़ा सुंदर है अब तक तो, पर मेरा ख्याल से उसका उम्र हो गया, लगता तो नहीं है, पर फिर भी उसका रिटायरमेंट का डेट आ गया है। तो हम और थोड़ा सा कुछ एक लेके आया है सर को देने के लिए। Thank you and thank you to all the teachers who have been with us in our class 10. पता नहीं हम और वापस आ पाएंगे कि नहीं, अगर हम जिंदा बचे तो आएंगे। फिर स्पेशल थैंक्स टू मैम मोई, मैडम मोई, सर मनोज, अरिंदम सर. They were the one who treated us actually because we studied this. हमारा जिंदगी का सबसे पहला मुकाम तो ये क्लास 10 पास होना था, और यही और 2016 बैच शायद सबसे बदमाश बैच रहा हम में से। अभी भी बदमाशी है, पर ऐसा नहीं कि पर इन्होंने हमें सुधारा। हम पढ़ाई में बहुत वीक थे, हमारा माँ बाप नहीं जानते थे कि हम इतना पढ़ पाएंगे, पर इन्हीं टीचर लोगों ने हमें अपनी बेटे की तरह पाल के हमें मैट्रिक में अच्छा मार्क्स सिक्योर करके और टॉप में लाके दिखाने के लिए हम उन लोगों को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं। थैंक यू टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स एंड बेस्ट विशेस फॉर फ्यूचर।
Josia Ramkhol. Okay, now I'd like to give time to batch 2021-22. After this, on behalf of all the batch, we would like to call Miss Ralin Name to please come forward and grace the stage. Good afternoon, everyone who are present here. First of all, I would like to thank to our teachers who gave me this time to stand here in front of you all on behalf of my batchmates. As we all know that today is our headmaster farewell, and we would like to express a deep gratitude to our former principal for his faithful 18 years of service, and we wish you a happy retirement. We were also a batch of 2021 and 22 and also had a lot of memories with sir, and he taught us so many things that we still practice in today's life. So may you always be a blessing for others, and may you continue to show kindness and love to your students and all your loved ones. May God bless you and guide you in everything you do. That's all I can say. And we would like to give a token of love from our batch. Sorry, may you come here. And I would like to continue the 2019 and 20 batch as they couldn't able to attend here in this program. Their names are, they asked me to say out their names, so I'll just say out their names. Monisa Chetri, Felix Vaipe, Sylvia Khobung, Nisi Parate, Nancy Luntrao, Elizabeth Zondinpui Bapui, Jessica Tulor, Sumromoy Khobung, Sila Lompui, Ngamnei Dik Khobung, Balasung Shankol, Singnei Thang Shrangate, Mursumoy Parate, Vivek Paul, Arnav Malakar, Jehovah Lalmal Song, Zosia Hekte, Japet Vankal, Hautian Sang Vaipe, Son Vandal Shankal. So they also would like to give this small token. So I would like to call our star to receive this. Job. We are seeing only their representative, but I would like to request the batch of 2015-16 to please stand up once so that all can see you, so that Sir could see you. 2015 and 16 batch. 15-16 batch, please stand up. Okay, thank you. Please be seated. And I'd like to request 2021-22 batch to please stand up. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, students. To please be seated. Please be seated. Good morning, respected teachers, students, elders, and everyone present here. It's a special moment for me to stand here as an ex-student of the school. I truly feel honored that to get this chance to speak a few words about our headmaster who played a very important role in my school life. Sir, you led this school like a true captain, always calm, always thoughtful. You made sure every student received the right education, right discipline, and equal care. I remember how you greeted every student with your gentle smile and also gave us the strictness we deserved. You may be leaving this chapter behind, but your legacy will echo through every student who had the privilege to learn under your guidance. As you take your well-earned retirement, may you carry with you the pride of a lifetime spent shaping lives. Your impact will live on the lessons we have learned, the values we carry, and the respect we have for you always. We wish you good health and peaceful days ahead. Happy retirement, sir. Thank you.
It will be followed by 2014 and 15 batch. Now I'd like to call 2017 and 18 batch to please come forward and take your time.
Good afternoon, respected headmaster, teachers, students, and all the staff over here. Respected outgoing headmaster, as we gather today to bid you farewell, we are filled with mixed emotion. We are so sad to see you to go, but also grateful for the incredible impact you have had on our lives. Your leadership, guidance, and mentorship have shaped us into the individuals we are today. We will always cherish the memories, values, and lessons you have imparted. Thank you for being just more than just a headmaster. You have been a friend, philosopher, and guide. We will miss your wisdom, humor, and kindness. As we begin this new chapter, we wish you happiness, good health, and fulfillment. Fulfillment you have earned it. Sir, we will always remember you fondly. Now I would like to request my batchmate to come over here and confirm our gift.
Lang may panel hino ba?
And this is
Mai là bố tôi lại.
Morning, sorry. Good afternoon, everyone. See, I messed up again. I already told my classmates that I always used to mess up when I stand in front of our headmaster, sir. Okay, let's start from the beginning again. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Debbie Lanemoy Waipe from the best 2014 and 15. First of all, I would like to thank our headmaster sir, all the MCs and all the teaching staff for inviting us and having us here. It is an honor to be here today. Headmaster sir, from the best Headmaster sir, on behalf of all your former students, we would like to thank you for your years of dedication, leadership, and care. You have made a lasting impact on so many of us. So, as a small token of our appreciation, we would like to present you with this gift. It comes from our heartfelt gratitude and best wishes for a happy and fulfilling retirement. Thank you so much and congratulations, sir. Now I would like to call up my batchmate, to present a gift to our respected sir. Okay, let me read out what is written here. This award is presented to Mr. Lawrence Simchi in recognition of your outstanding dedications and commitment to our school, Ngai Ban Thlang Presbyterian High School from 2007-2025 as founding headmaster. Your work hard, dedications and perseverance have been instrumental in our success, and we are honored to recognize your accomplishment. May your retirement be as rewarding and fulfilling as your career. Best wishes from 2013 to 15 best ex-students.
Batch, which will be followed by 1920 batch. 2022 and 23 batch, please come forward and share your thoughts and take your time.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our madam for giving us to express our gratitude to our headmaster sir. I'm honored to stand here today as an ex-student to bid farewell to our beloved headmaster. As a small token of our appreciation, we would like to present our headmaster sir a small gift. I would like to call my batchmate to please come over here. Before we present this gift, I would like to read the words. Happy retirement, Mr. Lawrence Simchi. As you move on to new horizons, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude for the impact you have had on our lives. Your dedication, passion, and passion for the teaching have inspired us and shaped our minds. We will cherish the lessons, memories, and values you have shared. Wishing you all the best on your future endeavors. You will be deeply missed by your legacy. We will live on through us. Best wishes from 2022-23 batch ex-student. I'd like to call out headmaster.
Good morning, everyone. Respected outgoing headmaster sir and present headmaster sir and all my teachers, former teachers, and ex-students. It is both an emotional and honor moment for me to stand here to bid farewell to a truly remarkable leader, our headmaster sir, as he deserves a well retirement. Sir, words feel so less to explain what you have done for this school. Not just for the students, but for the teachers too. You always stay with strength, patience, and a calm mind. You always help us shape not just our school, but the lives of everyone present in it. Because of your leadership, sir, this school grew not only in buildings or results, but in disciplines, values, and respect. From school sports to cultural programs, from everything. Sir, when you sat at your office helping the troubled students, to the bold decisions you make for the betterment of our school. Your contributions are not just written in school records, but it's also written in our hearts. As you step into retirement, we wish you that in your next part of your life, you will be happy and you will get well-deserved rest. You have worked hard so many years in the school, and now it is time to enjoy and relax. Sir, you will be deeply missed, and your disciplines and guidance will stay with us forever. We wish you good health, joyful moments, and all the best for the next part of your life. Happy retirement, sir. Thank you. Now,
call my friends to give a love of token of love to our outgoing headmaster, sir. Sir, can you please come in front? Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. To the people who are gathered here in order to celebrate our headmaster's farewell and this dear headmaster's farewell. We, the class, then also wanted to give him a token of appreciation for all the hard work and dedication that he had done for us. I would like to request our headmaster to accept this as a token of our gratitude.
हमने जो स्पीच दिया था उसका वीडियो किया था क्या स्टैनफोर्ड नाम को, ठीक है।
and 8 batch to please come forward here. I request all the batch who are present, not all the batch, all the member who are present here, so to please come forward and take your time. I request everyone like who are in the first batch to please come forward here. Not only one, not only your representative, everyone to please come forward and stand here. The first ever batch of NPHS 2007. Oh my God!
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank God who has given us opportunity, time. Thanks to our host, Madam Lady, respected headmaster, teacher, staff, and fellow students. We gather here today with mixed emotion. While we feel with sadness to see our beloved headmaster, we are also filled with immense gratitude for his leadership and guidance. We, the first batch students, are particularly grateful for our guidance during our initial year, helping us navigate the initial year challenging of establishing a new school. As we embark on this new chapter, we wish all the best in your retirement, sir. Last but not the least, our ex-headmaster, Mr. Laram Singh Chik, for everything. We always remember you with fondness and gratitude. Today, here, with the first best, if I'm not wrong, appearing total student 21. Out of 21 students, two of them are in first division and 3 of them are in third division. The rest, second division, 100% pass. And we came here with some a piece of a token. Please, sir, come.
Wow, yeah, senior.
Before we give it, let me read it out. Happy retirement with our deepest appreciation in honor of our dedication and year of loyal service. Mr. Laram Singh Chik, NPHS Headmaster. A time to look back with admiration. A time to look back with anticipation. Wishing you all the best and future endeavor. You will be deeply missed, but your legacy will live on through us. Best wishes and congratulate for your retirement from your obedient student, first batch, Nagashang Presbyterian High School.
Nice!
If they do not start, how can we start the school? So they are the pioneer. They are the pioneer. I'm very thankful to those people who start as a student in the first batch. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone, respective teachers and students and everyone. I'd like to thank you, present headmaster sir, teachers, and all the students who invited me on these special occasions. Today we gather here with a mixed emotion as we bid farewell to our beloved headmaster sir, as he served here in this institution for 18 years. Today, I feel a bit nervous and emotions too. As we know, our headmaster sir is very good. We are grateful for his natures and always willing us to listen us whatever we did. Though we are very naughty, we are the best and the worst batch ever. We are very naughty like monkey. But still, he always listened to us. So we are very thankful for that. We will never forget his support and guidance to us as he begins his new chapters. We wish him a happy retirement, and his retirement will fill with happiness, joy, and uncountable blessing from God. And your presence will be always missed by us. We can't offer you a great and expensive gift, but we would like to offer you some gift as a token of that. I would like to call Miss Raymond to come over. Served here as a headmaster for 18 years. He may face many difficulties, troubles, everything, but still today he had completed his missions. So for that, I would like to give him this marker as a token of love.
Once again, batch 2023 and 24, if I'm not wrong, yes. 2023 and 24, please come forward and take your time.
Very good morning to everyone, respected headmaster, former teachers, and all the guests over here. Today I present on behalf of my batch 2023-24. Coming back to this place, it feels like walking into memory, and we still remember our all good days. Sir was not just leading this school from an office. He was a part of everything, and we could feel his presence in every corner of this campus. He stood like one of the four pillars of the institution, giving it strength, structure, and stability. Until today, we have to admit that back then the batches before, even us were a bit naughty and full of mischief. But Sir never saw his misunderstanding. He handled us with patience and understanding. We are very thankful, sir. So, on behalf of my batch, I would like to thank you, sir, for your kindness, loving, caring, and your leadership. So today we came here to give a token of love. So I would like to request my friends to come over here. Sir, may I request you to stand to come forward. At peace and happiness and lots of well-deserved in the rest of the next chapter of your life. Thank you very much, sir.
I request everyone to please be seated and don't be scattered. And there will be photo session after the program. So there will be photo session.
Today, as you have seen, that this great day for me. Though I'm not fit, but though I'm not deserved to speak, by God's grace and by your cooperation, I could reach this stage. I know that. And by God's grace, I am going for the retirement time. It is not what I have made, but due to our ages, we have become such a stage. So before we do something, I would like to say my gratitude to somebody, some community, which I would like to offer something, the presents which I would like to offer. हम आज में जो फिट होने से भी हमारा समय परमेश्वर की मेहरबानी से हम चुका है, बहुत खुशी गवार है। इसी समय में आप लोग भी जानकारी करके आप लोग सुनने के लिए हम विनती करता है। If I speak only in English, we better follow well, because I would like to speak to anybody. हम हिंदी से कहने लगेगा ना होने से जो पूरा हिंदी नहीं इंग्लिश नहीं पहचानता नहीं सकता उन लोग के लिए थोड़ा ब्लाइंड हो सकता है, इसलिए हम शुरू करेगा sometime in English, sometime in Hindi. अच्छा, ये स्कूल हम लोग चलाने के लिए सबसे पहले मैनेजमेंट होने नहीं होगा तो होने नहीं सकता, इसलिए मैनेजमेंट भी हम कुछ प्रेजेंट देने मांगता है, लेकिन सारा मैनेजिंग मेंबर लोग हम देने के लिए हम नहीं सकता है, इसलिए जो प्रेसिडेंट होता है उन लोग का समय का प्रेसिडेंट जी का नाम से हम सब मैनेजिंग मेंबर का तरफ कभी हम देने चाहता है। वैसुन एजो प्रोग्राम चल ही स्कूल एन कोना ही सांग नि पसरियान थोका इंटरनलिया सुवे एन कोना जो कई अखात सभा जोची अन्ना मैनेजिंग हाई लोग होगा इंबिन तक में हो कोई तू हाई कथे हिल थे नो वैसुन हेनन हुलेन हुलो हम फ्यूचर ने का केयर चोंग नो अमी रोक तो थिलपे हे नहीं कंगनुमा चलें मैनेजिंग मेंबर को आया प्रेसिडेंट हाई पे का प्रेसिडेंट पथमे नहीं था अब मसा तक उpa para मिलोथी संतसिंग ना कम्प्लीट तक तक तोरा मिपुर पुई तो प्रेसिडेंट तक हाई हिचो सेक्रेटरी ले मीने का इंडोन भी कर लिया अच्छा ये में अमा कभी जिंग ले कंगाई सांकेन एंटीना इन पंसोपुन कंप्लान नोमा तो बने ओ उपवरा फैमिली अमुंग लपेक फेदी नो मो अतु हाय में सु हाय नो ये प्रेसिडेंट मसा kansa en result itu in Sunchen in Hanlan. Oh, President Padina chu upalama marania chu khom chu ama umno abui sunhin upalama aya milapek trading in umanisun upalama Kanlan ani tum upalam ma aya la trading on winter tau Kun President tu ta felai chu pu ze rong bol ania ama chu wis no sin la ma su hai tuina mani phunglam thein la an mi sol puina po kalau ini mah kanza baka susu hijing lading kanzan ani uze rong bol Manu sir is the first teacher with me, so by his work, diligent work, in the first time I know really that we could get permission. And he started saying to me that you go sir, don't think our school. So he look after like 2 or 3 class the whole day. How he has won, how he has fought, I do not know. So you should know that such kind of people you should not uproot. If you uproot, you will get fall down. Really, I know that. So love him. This is the first person who would guide with me. Then, so diligent work which he has shown, we could attain up to this. Please, Manu sir, come this is the flags which I have presented in memory of our day. My beloved student, you know that now I'm going to be not your headmaster again because I get my retirement from today. That is why what thing I would like, what thing I should give you, I do not know that. But might it be a little help from yours. So today I brought a tea can, 10 liters. Whenever you drink this tea, from this tea can, you remember me that I am your outgoing headmaster. So let headmaster receive it, no, on behalf of the student. So here a tin can 10 liters. Then kathoy ngil thi no chin pakhat om ve a chu chu ni ro som deu ta hen poi de ba school lai ni da ding hin hostel hai ko manga ya school la tin no khopela when we establish this school we cannot provide, we cannot construct hostels, but due to the initiative of this ISF Harangazao branch, we got a big building, we construct here a big building as for as hostel. Nowadays we will just keep as not proper hostel, let it be, it is some lakh rupees, I know that. So I know that myself that I could not provide them a suitable thing, even though I would like to present something for them keeping their files, their record. That is why here I am presenting some file cover, which they may know that I know their gift. ISF Harangazao area how to many in a president and secretary many two malathai in Oma. Tung khang ting zo khai num ding o ISF ting a. हमारा प्रेजेंट आप लोग का विचार में भी नहीं हो सकता है, लेकिन हमारा विचार में आगे से भी होता है। हमारा लिए कितना वैल्यू है। किचन बाई तो अभी तक है, किचन बाई तो हाँ सुने हम यहाँ में हम रहता है तो जहाँ में आदमी रहता है तो सुंदरता भी हम लोग पसंद है। हम लोग का टाउन सुंदर होने से, हम लोग का बाजार सुंदर होने से, हम लोग का हॉस्पिटल सुंदर होने से आराम लगता है, ये दिल हम लेता है। तो साथ ही साथ ऐसे सोचता है हमारा अमेंदु हो जाए, जब नेता बन गया है उससे हम लोग का हरंजाव के लिए कितना सुंदर लगाता है, तो हमारा दिल से बोलना है। हम सोचता है उस एक कमरा में और हम दूसरा कमरा में होने से, उस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से बनाने से, हम एजुकेशन को में उठाने से कितना हरंगाव सुंदर होता रहा, ऐसे सोचता है। लेकिन हमारे लिए तो बड़ा है और बड़ा आदमी है, हम लोग कम्युनिकेट नहीं है, तभी हम परमिशन ढूंढने में उसका रिकमेंडेशन तो लगता है। इसलिए जब लगता है उसका साथ में हम लोग खुशी से इसका फेस भी देखता है, इसलिए बहुत खुशी है इसका तरफ में भी। तो आज मैं थोड़ा सा आदमी लोग मालूम होने के लिए कितना पसंद आदमी हमारे लिए होता है, और ऑफिस तरफ से नहीं, हम पर्सनली हम रिगार्ड करता है, हम लिखता है, वो लिखत भी हम देना चाहते हैं। आज में बुलाने के लिए तो हम आराम नहीं लगता, छोटो है ऐसे जज हेड मास्टर से एक चीज़ तो हम पढ़ के हम देंगे। आप लोग सुने, हम नाइबान हेड मास्टर तरफ से ये हम लोग का अमेंदू जी को देता है लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट। ऑनरेबल सर, in my inner heart I say, Honorable Sir, I speak about my heartfelt thanks and appreciation to your honor, as I regarded you that you are the architects of Harangazao town and its surroundings for establishing with favorable infrastructures like buildings, road communications, bridges, marketing facilities extra. बहुत चीज़ एक्स्ट्रा हम कहने लगा। I am proud of your good name, जो समय में मौत का समय में हो जाता है, आपको तो ऐसे भी नाम देना, जैसे अमेंदू जी का जैसे तो DMK भी होने दे, BJP भी होने दे, ALJP भी होने दे, ऐसे काम का भी तो वोट दे दे आप लोग हरंगागांव एरिया का भी। हम लोग का हरंगागांव कितना सुंदर बनाया दिया है। I am proud of your good name. People will not forget your good achievement accounts in our future too. It is my humble prayer that may God be with you, uphold you in your daily life, ever to perform more advantageous and profitable works for the people. Headmaster Naiban Tangpel High School, Harangazao, dated Harangazao, that 4 July 2025। ये हम देना चाहता है, आप लोग जो रिसीव करता उसको सुनाओ। तो कितना हृदय में हम कहता है ये चीज़ तो उसको तरफ हम कुछ डिमांड नहीं है, हमारा एप्रिसिएशन तो जानना चाहता है। That's why here I would like to present, though I'm not fit to call our EM sir, who can receive it or some worker. आप बितन आज आने से ठीक होगा। हम लोग का मेंबर साहब के ऊपर में बहुत खुशी है। तो हम ये देखिए अमेंदू जी का फोटो है, हम जो हमारा दिल में होता है वो पब्लिक काफी नज़र में हम दिखाते हैं। आप रिसीव कर सकते। You know that here I'm working about like 18 years running, because you know that. So you know that those footballers also, when they become old, then the coaching also directed them not to play again. So also like them, I know, I recognize myself that someone requested me to do more, but I know that headmaster work is a mere work, it is a tough work. That is why I sought myself to get retirement from this post. So as it is so, it was given to me. That is why I am thankful to the President Committee who are giving me retirement. Then I also, I am inherently thanks to God who give my life up to this stage. Secondly, हरंगागांव आदमी लोग के लिए हम जाने का पहले में सुनानी मांगता है। अच्छा चीज सुनिए। सैटरडे के बारी में हम हाफलोंग तरफ में देखता है बहुत प्राइवेट स्कूल सैटरडे तो हॉलीडे इसी बनाता है, तो हम औरंगाबाद लोग अच्छा लगता है सैटरडे कोई से भी छुट्टी से नहीं बनाया। हाफलोंग तरफ में छुट्टी से बनाया तो एक साल में 52 डेज तो हॉलीडे का बनता है और लॉस है। हम लोग इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, वर्किंग पीपल है, ऐसे कमाना नहीं है। हमारा जारी का पैसे और क्रिएट मोड करो। औरंगाबाद में औरंगाबाद एरिया में भी हम लोग स्कूल को सैटरडे में चलाते रहेगा। ये आप लोग का सॉन्ग में हम कहानी मांगता है, सुनिए। ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। हम जब आया दिमासा स्टूडेंट लोग ढूंढते मिलने को बहुत मुश्किल को मिल चुका है। जो पहले एडमिशन यहाँ में करने वाला भी डिसकंटिन्यूड है, तो दिमासा स्टूडेंट लोग हम कम मिलता है आगे से भी, और दूसरों से भी देरी है। ऐसे हम हृदय में होता है। I have a little more regards the Dimasa student. I have a little more regards the Dimasa student. क्या बात से हमारा तरफ में? Because we, the Dimasa and Dimasa, mainly the rulers, the EM, CMR, comes mostly Dimasa community. So I would like to help those Dimasa students academically or their moral education too. So I am now going for retirement. I cannot make help each other. ऐसे हम तो रिटायर करने लग गया है, तो हमारा जो दिल में होता था और तो कर ही नहीं सकेगा, लेकिन हमारा मन में होता है, दिल में होता है। दिमासा स्टूडेंट लोग मॉरली एकेडमिकली वो लोग एडवांस होने से हम लोग का डिस्ट्रिक्ट भी आराम होगा, हम सोचता है। इसलिए हम लोग कंटिन्यू करते रहिए स्कूल में, हमारा विनती है। Yes, I know myself that here Manu sir is the first teacher with me, so by his work, diligent work, in the first time, I know really that we could get permission. And sir said to me that, you go sir, don't think our school. So he look after like 2 or 3 class the whole day. How he has won, how he has fought, I do not know. So you should know that such kind of people you should not uproot. If you uproot, you will get fall down. Really, I know that. So love him. This is the first person who would guide with me. Then, so diligent work which he has shown, we could attain up to this. Please, Manu sir, come. This is the flags which I have presented in memory of our day.
इंडिविजुअल हो या ग्रुप हो, अभी टाइम ओपन है।
First of all, good afternoon everyone. My name is Marina Varipay, former student of 2016 year who were, let me introduce myself first, that I were always sick and unhealthy student at that time, but our master and teachers who were supporting me there, I would like to thank you all and God bless you all. And madam, thank you for giving, for caring me
At the time, I was very sick. It gave me home and shelter to taken care. Thank you. Thank you so much. I thank you wholeheartedly. Today, I stand here to say, to bid a farewell to our former headmaster. It is very hard to put into words how much you meant to us, and you give us, and you made us a very successful student. Thank you, and thank you for I would like to thank on behalf of all our YP students from Bosol YP, namely Miss Loisy Nemngai YP, Miss Martina Tingaisiam YP, Miss Devil Nemoy YP, and I, Miss Marina Nilalkin YP, and Miss Felix Ting Nemzo YP, Miss Irene Nemtian YP, and Miss Amethyst Hatchen Hoi YP, and Gentiel Robot Gentiel YP. And on behalf of all of us, I want to present YP Soul, that is called Quantum, as a token of gift and appreciation. It will always have a special place in our hearts, and I wish you happiness and success in future. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all respected headmaster of NPHS, Harangajau. Sir, I feel extremely good to be part in this event. Sir, you Miss Berman very much mean to us, because we are thankful that I'm thankful that I was working as a staff in this respective institution with full dedication under your guidance, and feeling happy that you made this place very much competitive in the field of learning. Sir, with all respect, I will be saying that I will hardly get any headmaster who will with full dedications and guidance. I'm feeling happy this made very competitive in the field of learning. Sir, with all respect, I will be saying that I will be hardly get any headmaster who will like to treat as a staff, parents, loving and leading as a social leader, who will surely, I will surely say, you deserve much respect. I cannot express in a word. Obviously, I heartily welcoming our new headmaster in charge with honor and great respect. Sir, on behalf of all the student and staff, that you both are very much mean to all in this place. That love, you made this feeling extremely upgrading both the student and staff as well. Thanking you. After these institutions, I am and all the staff who got service outside were much respected and give a good name, because we learn many things from this institution. We learn how to communicate with staff, how to respect our elders, how to communicate with the junior and senior staff. We learn many things when we impart training in our we were impart training outside. We can say we are lucky enough that we were getting so many good thoughts, and we can lead easily. The things is that we can easily know the things, because we are learning many things before from these institutions. These institutions enable us, the teacher and the student enable us. Sir, you were means always helpful to us, because without your help we were means we cannot be living this life. Means we can say we are very much thankful, because with your guidance, with your humbleness, what we are doing, what we are getting the name, it's only with your means your humbleness, sir. We are extremely thankful. We do not know whether we will getting this kind of a very good person in our life. I am very much thankful to be a part of this staff, and I will be always remembering the journey what I have started from this Naibantlang Presbyterian High School. Thank you very much. I'm sorry I forgot. A small token of love, sir. I couldn't bring anything for you. This is a love that what I have kept in my house. This is for my personal use, sir. I cannot able to give anything much bigger. So, sir, I'm giving this you with my love only, sir.
Namaskar and very good morning to everyone, those who are present here. I, Ms. Srishti Chijasudna of Class 9, feel very lucky and proud to say something about our respected headmaster, Sir Sri Lalaram Simthik, on his farewell day. Today we gather here to honor an extraordinary leader, mentor and friend, our headmaster, Sir. As we reflect on his nearly 18 years of dedicated service to MPHS. We are reminded of the countless ways he has shaped our environment of learning and growth. His vision and unwavering commitment have not only transformed our school, but have left an indelible mark in the heart of everyone who has the privilege to know him. Sir, we thank you for everything you have given to us, including knowledge and disciplines. We feel deeply grateful for your unwavering support and guidance. May your retirement be filled with joy, relaxation, and happiness, and continued success in your life ahead. May God keep you happy and healthy in your life ahead. Thank you. And now I request all my classmates to come over here and present the gift. Sir, I request.
Proud to please come forward, and Headmaster Sir, please stand forward. After the prayer, we will sing a closing song which will be led by our Miss Rumoy.
Let me speak little. Proverbs says, time has no wait for no man. Time has wait no for man. So today, it is a time to say goodbye to our headmaster. So before we say goodbye, I want to highlight something regarding his activity. The church recognize and will not forget his dedication and sacrifice, and he is the builder of the education in this community, and his faithfulness, his sincerity, and his dealing the administration with a befitting manner, and lastly, the best result of HSLC every year. So these things we need to remember, and the church will recognize and will not forget his activity during his period. Then now we are in need to say goodbye to him. So before we send him out, I'll read out the words of God taken from number chapter 24, verse 26. The Lord God bless you and keep you. The Lord make you his face shine and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. May God bless the whole world. batin ko kung sana na let's pray to God. Let us bow down our heads and pray to God. I pray in our language. Kung sana na
It will be followed by closing prayer by Elder Pangramdin Gangte, MC member. And after this, I request everyone to remain seated and cooperate for the photo session. There will be a photo session of every batch and with our outgoing headmaster. This will help us capture the memories of this special day. So please be seated and wait till the end. Now let us sing a welcome song. Let us now join together in closing song. I request Ms. Rodboy to please come forward and lead the song. And I request class 9 and 10 to stay back after the program because we need to arrange everything. If we don't do today, tomorrow there will be holiday. So from tomorrow onwards, your holiday will be started. I request class 9 and class 10 to stay back. God be with you till we meet again. By His counsel guide uphold you. His counsel guide uphold. With His sheep securely fold you. His sheep securely fold. God be with you till we meet again. Till we meet again. Till we meet again. Till we meet. Till we meet at Jesus' feet. Till we meet. Till we meet. God be with you till we meet again. God be with you till we meet again. God be with you till we meet again. Need His wings securely hide you. Daily manna still provide you. Manna still provide. God be with you till we meet again. Till we meet at Jesus' feet. Till we meet. Till we meet at Jesus' feet. Till we meet. Till we meet. God be with you till we meet again.
trong trại nào